guys, how are you? Today we're going to present you a new tutorial of how to make an avatar and create a profile in your Xbox 360.
Step 1. First, you turn on your Xbox 360 console.
Step 2. Once it's turned on, in the Select Profile menu, select the option called Create a New Profile.
Step 3. Choose a cool name.
Step 4. Then, choose a preset avatar as a starting point and start customizing it. You can choose things such as the hairstyle, the eyes, eyebrows, facial hair, body size, ears, nose and more. Then select a good outfit and you are good to go.
And that is how you make a profile and an avatar in your Xbox 360. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and until next time!